Hello students, we start logarithm from today. Why we use logarithm? When we are doing calculations, sometimes it is necessary, or we can say sometimes it is not possible to calculate by using the mathematical way. Means that is the way is plus, multiplication, minus, dividation. These are the ways to do the calculation. Okay, so addition, subtraction we can do easily, but when we are doing the multiplication and division for the long terms, long digit numbers, then it is not possible to calculate. So we are using logarithm from that examples. Okay, for example, the 2 by 4 we can do it, or 4 by 2 we can do it. Okay, or 2 multiplication by 8 we can do it. But when it is 12 multiplied by 18, we can also do it that. But when it is like this number 134 multiplied by 1467, then it is not possible to calculate. It is possible, but it is a very difficult way. So we are using logarithm, or we can use the log table for that calculation, and we can easily find out the answer. Okay, so the way is very important. Logarithmic way is very important to calculate the values. So necessary terms are in the logarithm are some important formulas. There are 3 or 4 formulas of that. Just you have to remember that 3 or 4 formulas. You can easily calculate. Okay. शुरू में कैसा होगा, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगेगा, लेकिन बाद में आपको कैसा लगेगा, इजी लगेगा, क्योंकि वो आदत हो जाएगी. ओके, सो लॉगरिथमिक कब फाइंड आउट करते हैं, लॉगरिथमिक कब यूज करते हैं, व्हेन द लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग मल्टीप्लिकेशन, लॉन्ग कैलकुलेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो फॉर दैट टाइम वी कैन यूज द लॉगरिथम. ओके, नो नीड टू यूज लॉगरिथम फॉर दिस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, so see one more example I give you. You can find 2 raised to 4, you can find 2 raised to 6, you can find 2 raised to 18. No, you can't. So for that time you use the logarithm. Okay, so these are the conditions कि आपको logarithmic कब use करना है. Okay, so some terms in the logarithm, these are very important. We learn it today. For logarithmic calculation we require this type of log table. Okay, मैं publicity नहीं कर रही हूँ नवनीत की, but it is important log table. Why I prefer this type of log table? Because there are so many formulas are given in that log table related to physics, mathematics and chemistry also. Okay, so this is very important. 11th और 12th में जो भी formulas are, these all formulas are in this log table. Okay, after that all the formulas, there is a section log table. I show you. See, this is the log table. कुछ भी रीड करना है, कुछ भी बाय हार्ट करना है, not necessary. Okay, or it is not possible. So we use the logarithm. This type of logarithm table आपको एग्जाम में दिया जाता है. Okay, not that one, not that part. Okay, so remember the logarithmic table is given, log table is given in the exam. So see, logarithm, यहाँ पे एक section है logarithmics and mathematics table. Okay, you have to see. You can see this, yeah. Now see logarithms and the mathematical tables. Then next part is the anti-logarithms. We can call this as shortly as a log and anti-log. Okay. Now the next one is the natural sign. Then another one is natural cosine, natural tangent, then logarithmic sine, logarithmic cosine, logarithmic tangent. Okay, then आपको स्क्वायर कैसे करना है, स्क्वायर रूट, पावर्स एंड उसका फैक्टोरियल्स दिया जाता है. यहाँ पे देखो, स्क्वायर्स आर गिवन, these 2 tables, then square roots are given. You can find all mathematical calculation, addition, subtraction, square, cube root, square root, anything by using this log table. Okay, just you have to know how to calculate, or you have to know some formulas. Okay, so these are the log table. So everyone have to carry this log table every day. Okay, for the physics, maths and chemistry lecture. So see, we start the logarithm actually it is necessary to learn some formulas. So I just write this formula. You have to write down these formulas. We can call this as a laws of logarithm. Laws of logarithms. See, the first formula is log of, you know that, log of mn to the base a, it is equal to log of m plus n. I explain it later. You just write down. Now the next is log of m by n to the base a, log of m to the base a minus log of n to the base a. Now the third formula is log of m raised to n to the base a. How to write this? N log of m to the base a. And the next one is log of m to the base b. That is not a regular base. So how to write this? Log of m to the base b divided by log of b to the base a. See, these all the formulas, or we can say the rules. Okay, this rule is called as rule of change of base. This is rule of change of base. Okay, see how to read the log. This is a logarithm, but every day we are using that word, so no need to use logarithm of m, logarithm of 2, logarithm of 10. So we use just log of 2. Okay, so this word we use daily. So that is log. Okay, so remember this log. So see how to read this. Log of mn means what? This is one term and this is another term. You have to multiply it here. Means यहाँ पे जो भी term है, that is multiplication term. That means यहाँ पे मैं other वाला example देती हूँ. Log of x multiplied by y to the base a. Fine. Multiplication लिखना जरूरी नहीं है, ये हमने already learn किया है. So how to write this as a log of xy to the base a. Fine. Now, how to use log in this question? See, the log of mn to the base a. क्या करना है? When the multiplication is there, I write here multiplication के जगह पे हम क्या करेंगे? Addition. Remember, addition of log. Fine. See, the log of mn to the base a is equal to, कैसे करेंगे use? Log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a. That is 1. Okay, how to use this types of log? Means ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे multiplication. वहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? For that time you have to use the addition of the logs. Okay. Now, second, log of m divided by n to the base a. When we are using log table in that type of such type of questions, you have to subtract. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे, just a minute. यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम? डिवाइडेशन, डिवीजन, डिवीजन आएगी तब क्या करेंगे हम? सब्सट्रैक्शन, सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ, सॉरी, सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ लॉग. फाइन, वेरी सिंपल. मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा, that time we use the addition of the log individually. When the division, subtraction of the log individually. Fine. Now the next, log of m raised to n, that means the power term. So power आएगी तब क्या करेंगे? You just simplify, take it power on other side of the log. That is the rule. Take that power in the other side of the log and just find the log of that term. So what I did here, I just take that power on other side. So that is n here, and the log of m to the base a is remaining. Okay. So we just use power on other side. So we write here power on other side of log and multiply. multiplication. Simple multiplication. Simple multiplication for this number multiplied by this. Okay, so this is the third rule, and next is the fourth. That is very important rule. Log of m to the base b. That means b is the other base, means different base is there. So for that time you have to do separate dividation of that number. So see here, this is the number to the base b. B is the base. Okay. So for example, this type of question is there. Log of 2, 5. Sorry here, a. Okay. So how to write this? How to write this? This is the regular base, right? So how to write this log of 5 to the base 2? Log of 5 to the base 2 कैसे लिखना है? Log of 5 to the base a divided by log of 2 to the base a. Fine. And the a is the regular base. Okay, so that is called as log of base. This is the rule of change of the base. I hope you have to know. I hope you have to understand this all logarithms. Okay, so log of mn multiplication, that time you have to use the log of addition, division of logarithm, you have to use subtraction of the logarithm, raised to power, take power and other side and do the multiplication. And when the base change, you have to use the common base, so that is log of m to the base a divided by log of b to the base a. Fine. Okay, so these are the rules. These are the rules to find out the logarithms. Fine. 1 minute, I will come.